A says.
Ah.
B says.
B.
C says.
Bio.
C says.
T.
What does D say? D says.
D.
Yeah. What does E say?
I didn't hear this. Hey.
What does E say?
Can you repeat this for me?
Olivia, what does E say?
No.
Eh?
Give me a hand later. Hey.
What does H say?
And what's this for?
What does H say? Yeah. What does K say? What does K say? K, yeah. What does L say?
Ow. Your shoes away.
What does M
Your
say?
shoes
What does M say? What does M say? Olivia, M?
Wee.
What does M say?
Horsey.
Can you tell me what M says? M?
Answer.
Yeah. N says. O says. P says. Yeah.
Popcorn.
Popcorn, yeah. What does Q say?
Quack.
Quack. Quack.
Quack.
What does R say?
Yeah.
Yeah. S says. T says. Yeah. U says.
Quack.
No.
Huh? Huh?
What does V say? No, V says V.
Spe.
What does W say?
Psh.
W says.
Psh.
W says.
Psh. Psh.
No, what is W?
What?
There you go. X. X says. Y says.
There.
Yeah. What does Z say? Z says. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He's